Good morning, traders. It's Chris here from the tradingmentors.com. It is the 7th of November. This is your early morning briefing, and it's 6:13 in the morning, very early here in the UK. Hope you're well. Just posted this chart into the VIP room. Hopefully you've got that. Just a quick synopsis of gold. We are expecting a possible move down to this support area here in the next few hours, down to 1935. But of course, much depends on many things, but this is a daily chart. So that is the major support area. And then I think we're going to see the bounce and the big move up to 2160. So could be a big move coming. So look out for that, and we'll use our gold software to get into that position. A sell-off on gold overnight, as confirmed by the sell signal on the on the gold on steroid software, and now we can see that the price is way oversold. Now we've got the buyers stepping in, so we are expecting this to go higher in the next few hours. This has converted into green on the 5-minute chart, so we are expecting this to come back up. This yesterday was a strong buy zone, if you remember. About 1980, now broken, and is now a strong sell zone. So as it pushes up, then you can look for sells as it moves up. But markets are quiet still, but nonetheless it's a trading opportunity up to 1978. So just a quick update on the trades that you should be looking into and or trading is the euro dollar, now parabolic to the upside, expecting a big move higher in the next few days or weeks. I am personally waiting for a pullback down to about 106.33, so look out for that. US Canadian to the downside, getting a nice push back up here, so we're going to have to wait and see where this goes now. We've got an alert here, so as it goes down and tests the 50-day moving average, then I will be looking to sell. Aussie USD, of course, does the opposite to the US Canadian, so don't trade both. Looking for a buy signal, hitting support area right now. So this is now moving into a swing low. Look out for the Aussie USD in the next few hours. The New Zealand dollar does exactly the same. Don't trade both. Aussie yen, a nice pullback, and we are long this, so we are expecting further upside momentum in the next few hours. Pound yen, we are long pound yen. You should be pound yen long to 188.50. Euro yen to the upside, continuing into profit. Congratulations, members, 163.50. Pound Canadian to the upside, heading for target 170.90. Congratulations, making money. Canadian Swiss, looking for another position. We've got we had a bit of divergence, which basically means it's the end of a little bit of a lack of momentum to this. But nonetheless, we are looking for another buy signal in the next few hours. So another exciting move there. Same for the Aussie Swiss, don't trade both. But another opportunity here in the next few hours. Pound Aussie, we've got break of structure. So we're going to have to do a bit more research on this. So this is no longer valid in terms of a downward parabolic trend. Euro Aussie, again, change of character here. So that is off. Euro Aussie off. Euro New Zealand, again, we're waiting for a swing high. We got the swing high now. It's retesting the 50 EMA. So we are looking to sell that in the next few hours. Some fantastic opportunities. Traders, if you are in it, congratulations. If you want to become a member and learn more, then let me know.